What's going on, guys? We starting a new vlog here. Hey, no, I'm doing my intro. We starting a new vlog here. I got the boys. It's gonna be a vlog of my weekend, continuing on to the other stuff. I don't know what's gonna go on. We in Target right now. I'm gonna throw some sort of fashion in here. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna catch in with you guys when we do some other stuff. Yeah. Even for a fun one. Alright, y'all, we in Target. I'm not gonna lie, I went to go tie my shoe and I got lost. So this is the biggest Target I've ever been in. So we're just gonna find something that's interesting. I'm not gonna lie, I'm going to the video game section. I ain't gonna lie to you. I always know where that one's at. But when I find my friends, I guess we're gonna catch it and show you guys that. I've never been more lost in my life in a Target. Oh my God, I found him. I think I found him. I hear him. I found him.
Yo, I found you, dude.
Oh, bro. Hey, but I'm trying to look for chips. I'm trying to find chips.
What kind? Oh,
I'm on the wrong aisle.
Yeah.
Hey, I sure ain't gonna find it
here. You're gonna find chips right here, bro. What are you talking about?
Yo, is that Ninja? Hey, what's up, yo?
Hey, put the Ninja thing on.
Hey, I can't do that. Hey, I can't do that.
Hey, bro, this.
Oh, these my friends, by the way. Y'all, I didn't even show you that.
Bro, this is my footage. What's going on here?
Come on, bro. You said I could film today.
Bro. Uh-oh.
Yo, Fast and Furious? We're staying on trend with the video of fashion. That's a dirty mirror. Just so now I can claim this as fashion, and it's still on my niche. Let's get it, boys. Get in here. Hey. Y'all, we here with another day. I don't know what happened to the ending. We were at the Target, and then, you know what I'm saying, somebody just took my phone, and the footage, like, disappeared. That's crazy. But we at Best Buy today. Got the same crew. Dylan, bro. Isaiah, me. I'm going to show y'all the fit later. Don't worry about it. But we're going to find something out when we get in there.
He did, huh? Yeah, he saw the camera.
Just here to take pictures. We inside our Best Buy. Okay, now we made it to the destination where we're gonna find pictures. Now we're gonna figure it out. Doesn't matter.
You can't sing that you're recording, huh? You might get copyrighted.
Yeah, don't do that.
My bad.
We're gonna figure it out.
What do you see?
I don't know.
Let's see a spot down, like going that.
I could see something more down this way than we go down this way. You know.
Yeah.
I definitely can see
This
that.
is good behind the
I see
scenes.
something down over there.
Something more down over there than we could find over here.
Did you get this?
No, bro, it smells stank, bro. So I don't like wearing my glasses on thing. They always look mad crooked on here. I know they're not, but it looks like somebody like smacked them upside my head. We found the spot. He's taking pictures as we're doing this, so I gotta kind of focus and do some stuff, but we found it. We got some behind the scenes right here. Y'all probably already see these already.
Looking cute.
You'll probably already see those already.
Nate, why are you so cute, dog?
That's 4K. That's 4K quality, right there. Oh, this is fun. We got a multiverse. Oh, never mind. He took it away. We can't see the multiverse vlog. Never mind. Update. The shot's better. The shots go come out cool. They got me leaning. I had Dylan all like this, but we're gonna show it to you when we get them. So we all done today with the shooting wise. We still gotta get ready, and you're gonna find yourself watching this, and you're gonna periodically be finding Isaiah's vlog, and you're gonna realize you're seeing the same thing twice. And that's the beauty of a vlog. And if y'all don't know, y'all are gonna know, because it's gonna be linked as well as for a lot of other stuff. I'm excited to show you guys the pictures. They should be on my Instagram already. So I'm not gonna, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, check the link. That's where it is.
Link in the description.
But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys I'm gonna catch in with y'all when we see the final outfits for the quince that we're going to.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when we get there. I got a nice shirt on. Y'all can't. Oh. They do too. Hold on, I'm gonna have to flip it. I'm gonna have to use the rear camera. I got the flash on too because I accidentally pressed it. So guess what? The footage is still gonna stay in. I don't care. Hello, welcome to my bright world. That thing pushed Isaiah's hairline back, huh? Oh, whoa, no. Hey, my bad. Okay, so we're here. I do a little bit. Got Isaiah in it. We got the boy D. Yo, it. Oh, you know I'm finna tear this up, boy. I haven't eaten all day. All right, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. We in this boy now. Hey, you can't hear what's going on because it's all gonna be music over this. So I'm not trying to get copyrighted, but it's a turn up, it's a celebration. Hey, give me some. We just finished at the Quince. It's for you. Yeah, at the Quince. So we're gonna go get some Chick-fil-A and do whatever else we want to do after that. This is a little brief introduction. Y'all saw me dressed up. You ain't gonna see that again for a while. But
why not?
I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one.
Oh.
Checking in, it's Sunday. We're gonna get some menudo. If y'all ain't never had menudo before. Nah, if y'all ain't never had menudo before, I recommend getting that. We had a little standstill right here. We said nothing about nothing. Nothing about nothing. But I'm gonna get you with y'all when we do and get that. It should be fun and entertaining. We're gonna get right to it. All right, y'all. I'm not in Fresno anymore. I'm back in Visalia. I can't tell you why I wasn't recording, but it's just, it happened. But now we're back here. I'm about ready to lay down. I got class in the morning. I fumbled the bag on that one, I'm not gonna lie to you. But if you do want to see what happened, like I said, I'm gonna be linking Isaiah's stuff too. So whatever I didn't catch, you catch there. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the morning. We are back. I didn't really do much of that. I went to the dentist, but they have like a strict, like they won't let you film. I already tried. I don't know, maybe I'll try that again, but that's gonna wrap it up for this vlog. There was a lot that happened. I mean, I went from Fresno to back here, but yeah, I hope you guys like it. I really like doing vlogs. I want to incorporate more vlogs on my channel and like fashion like related-esque vlogs, so I'll talk about it in my next video. But hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did like it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Until then, be sure to spread a smile, tell your mama that you love her, find you guys' peace. Later.